the attention to detail. I mean, she's sort of, expressed what I should do, and I've gone, well, yay or nay. So look, when we've had problems with the internet, like, she's just, nothing's a problem. I ring her, she gets back to me. I email her, she gets back to me. WhatsApp gets back to me. But it's mainly Jenny, you know what I mean? It is mainly Jenny. Oh, and Joyce, No, she will, yeah. Yeah, but a lot of people I'm talking to about that, they want to do it themselves. I'm like, why would you? Like, I do nothing. Yeah, she's given me some good ideas, and, she suggested things I didn't want to do, but I've done, paid off, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I have recommended whether they've gone through, I don't know.